Here you see, we'll have this video only for telling you any of the points which are important one for dealing with the cue card part. Okay, and as you
Okay,
can
sir.
see, there are some questions which are mentioned in front of both of us, but there is a leading question which is already written over there. Okay, when there is certain
Okay,
leading
sir.
question, then definitely we'll talk about that first. What is that leading question is all about? Describe a very difficult task that you succeeded in doing as a part of your work or studies. You need to think of one topic, whether at workplace or as studies, or you can talk of both of them. It's your choice. Okay, but if you want to, you know, increase your time, the main thing is, like,
Yes, sir.
suppose if I'll be
Yes, sir.
talking about this particular thing, then how would I need to actually answer that one? There should be the tense which is accordingly the requirement. First of all, I can talk of the three of the tenses on this one, but I need to lead with this particular tense which is given in the question. First of all, not only the tense but also the kind of questions which are asked. If I am not answering these questions, my task is not done. Like we say that, no, task achievement in every of the task. Writing task also task achievement. If
Yes, sir.
task achievement
Yes,
is
sir.
not done, like means to say you are not giving the answer for each of these questions, that means your task is not achieved. But even in case of that one, like, if you want to achieve that properly, or simply you want to give the reply for this question, let me tell you some of the tips about the same. When it is written describe,
Okay.
you need to have one thing in the mind, that I need to use five of my senses at this time, particularly five of my senses: what you smell, what you see, what you hear, what you whatever. Okay, five senses you're gonna
Okay.
work with. Describe very difficult task. Difficult task, what can be a difficult task? First of all,
A difficult task which is which is very difficult for us in our pastime.
no, in a normal definition, if we say a task to be a difficult one, which we are doing it for the first time.
Okay, sir.
Suppose we are dealing with the problem for the first time, that it can be a difficult task for us now. If we are dealing with that problem again and again, it can be easy one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it can be easy thereafter. Once you have dealt with the problem multiple times, then you will say that this problem is existing every time whenever I am dealing with this. Okay, all such problems like that. Then if the difficult task is, can be called as Herculean task, if you're using Herculean task instead of difficult task, would not that be fine? Herculean task. Herculean,
Herculean,
you know what is Herculean task?
the difficult.
Obviously, difficult task. Herculean task is a big task. When the task is very big, then we say Herculean task. Okay. If the task is quite big and it is very difficult to handle, then we can use Herculean task. Instead of saying that same word, you can use different other words. Okay. Instead of the same word, you can use Herculean task. Okay. I have dealt with lots of
Okay,
problems
sir.
in my life, lots of issues in my life, but one of the Herculean tasks that I did was this. You can come to the topic, stay to it. Otherwise, you can talk about. I remember one incident in my past, when I dealt with such a problem, that was to uh, give guidance to few members of my team. As I worked in a private sector, then I got some team to deal with, and I tried to actually teach each and everything about that task to those people. And the most difficult thing that was coming in my way was to communicate. How can I deal with 70% and 80% of the 100% and the, like, 100% of the people, or 150 people, or whatever number? You can just make it a story like that, cock and bull story. Okay, make a story over there. 150 people at the same time, how to communicate with them was a difficult task. The communication
Okay, sir.
being the key factor to that, I thought that I need to choose any online platform which would really help me out in solving that issue, solving that problem. I thought to talk with my head, that what should I do go with? Shall I go with the Zoom application, or shall I use some other online application which can help me to talk to different people at the same time. My principal or my head agreed with the Zoom application, and I just started giving direction on that one. And everybody was sent the message on WhatsApp, and thereafter they were on to that Zoom application on the desired time of theirs, and I divided them into the groups so that the problem will not happen as far as the limit to the number of participants was only 100. So that is why I thought that I need to keep the group into the small numbers so that I can distribute the duties properly in an exact way. Okay. And as I was teaching them, there were lots of queries which I was handling offline as well as online on WhatsApp. But most of the queries were solved by my guidance itself when I was actually trying to help them by the use of presentations, PowerPoint presentations, as well as some other VRs or methods. And when I actually completed the task, I really felt like amazing, or you can say I was amazingly like surprised to see the result of that. I was amazed to see the result of that one, that all of those members who actually joined for the task or who joined for that particular session, they all started working harder than before. Not only they started working harder, but they started working smarter as well. Okay. And I really appreciate if such tasks are going to be given to me in my near future. See, obviously the time has already exceeded more than 2 minutes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it has exceeded more than 2 minutes. When you have a certain story, maybe it is a cock and bull story or it's a true story or not, it doesn't matter at all. But the thing is a kind of like here I forgot to actually mention one more thing. Like when you are actually expressing your feeling, you should use something like what we say. I was feeling. You can feel in a different. I was feeling amazed. You can feel amazed. I was feeling at the cloud nine. What do you mean by that? I was feeling at the cloud nine. Cloud nine means I was feeling quite happy. Means to say I was too much happy, more than happy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I was feeling, or I felt like that time to be the whale of time. Okay, to be the whale of time. Whale of time means quite happy time. Again, for happy time we can use this one. For having the joyful time, okay, it was jocund time, or if you really felt happy about it, then you can use that to be the whale of time. I felt that time to be the whale of time for me, and I was overjoyed. I was overjoyed
Good.
with the feeling of happiness. Okay, or you can say that I was frustrated with the with the with the feeling of a regret. Okay, regret means when you feel penance, when you feel guilty conscious, okay, when you feel embarrassed. Okay, I was frustrated with the feeling of embarrassment, you can say also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so lots of other words you can use also. I'll be just letting you know that in some other videos, okay, of mine, and we'll be
Okay, sir.
talking about that particularly.